go get drunk and rip off a 10-speed.
Yeah, we'll get a basket and a horn on the handle.
Yeah, then we'll set it on fire and wreck it to the children and laugh at their parents, and then we'll get on the... Whoa, man, I'm toasted.
The innocent shall suffer. Big time.
Boo! 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 Hey, Cliff, look!
Oh!
Stat, fatty! Here comes the pain!
Chill, chill. Using a key to gouge expletives on another's vehicle is a sign of trust and friendship.
Who did this to my freaking car?
What I want you to do is drink this.
Thank you, what was that thick shake?
Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's mayonnaise I found in the trash can. And it had hair on it, and you drank it! Because I'm your doctor. Do what I say.
Fryman, we're full of religion now. Everyone, please, bow your heads and pretend to be serious.
Do it or I'll bow them for you.
Our God is an Indian that turns into a wolf.
Man, it's wolfing, man. Butt cancer. Butt crack cancer.
And yeast infections.
Yes!
Yeast unleashed in the east.
Chicken!
I don't see anything I want,
Yeah, me neither.
Burn it to the ground so others may not have it either.
That's a neat car she's washing. You think that's a straight 6?
I think I have a straight 6.
We do whatever we want to whomever we want, at all times. Moonanites unite.
Lock in.
No one can defeat the quad laser.
It is over now.
I hope you can see this because I'm doing it as hard as I can. The principal will resent his nards being presented in such a crude manner.
You're not painting on no school. That's a damn rock.
Well,
And I like to rock. I will rock your face.
we are bored.
Yeah, I'm bored.